What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Serg Around here, outside with my car today, in front of the house on a beautiful day in the A60, and I'm about to do a product review today on Shine Armor. Stay tuned.
Me no see me change shiny, but why breathe? Me a controller, young soldier, once over. Any man at this way, I get slumped over. Don't be scared of the thing, girl, come closer. You need to come over, bad man, we no watch that. Even when me need to watch that, I got my gun on me.
And we're gonna do a product review on Shine Armor. Get that in. Alright, so this video should be pretty short. I'm literally just gonna show you guys how it comes out. Been trying to let my car get a little bit dirty so I can finally apply this. It's not too dirty, but I got a couple areas. I'll get it on there real quick. There we go.
Put the hair one like so. So it's supposed to be a quick coat. So it's supposed to act as like a wash, a gentle wash on top of like a wax for your car. It's supposed to be some protection. And here's my microfiber towels it came with. A couple purple guys in here. So I can figure out how to open it. Let me just use one.
So like I said, my car's not really dirty, but I haven't really been driving it, you know, COVID and all. So I got some dirty spots right here. I'm gonna just spray it on and see how it comes out. I probably do the entire car, but just want to show you guys this one area.
Tell me you're around. Tell me you're around, round, round. You gon' stick around. You gon' stick around, round, round. Tell me you won't bounce. If I go down, 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 you gon' hold it down. You gon' hold it down, down, down. I was laid up in it, who be think it's auto star? That's perfect timing like an Audemars. Thought I was finished, wouldn't make it far. I'm about to show you how to raise the bar. It's your world, but watch me finna make it ours. They only around us cause of who we are. Jumped in a bucket, poured a faster car. I want success, I wanna taste it all. You notice me, so I know you won't take it.
Alright, so there's not a huge difference. I mean, I almost feel like this would be the same thing as using water and a rag. But my car wasn't that dirty to start off with, like I said. I used it wrong at first. I guess you gotta spray the rag and then the surface. One thing I'll say is that it smells really good. I'm not gonna lie, this shit smells fire. But not really sure what else to say about it. I'm just gonna do my whole car. Kind of see how it pans out in a couple weeks or so.
Slicker, then up here from Augusta, who just had his linen suit dry clean. Bitches, what's up with ya? I hate calling the women bitches, but the bitches love it. I took some sense and made a nickel of it. I'm urging all daughters to kiss their mothers with those lips that all that lipstick covers. You're never too grown up to miss and hugger, and girls counting on me to be there like missing rubbers. I'm on some Marvin Gaye shit, a bunch of distant lovers. This ain't the life that I'm used to. Reintroduce the people I've been introduced to. Did you forget me, or are you too scared to tell me that you met me in fear that I won't remember? I wish you could still accept me for me. I miss Memphis, Tennessee, my cousins, my dad. The simplistic beauty that all of me.
So it says it's a waterless wash, shine, and protect. Maybe I should have took my car to the car wash first. I think next time I'm gonna wash it. I don't really feel like it was a big difference other than washing your car regular. I mean, it's supposed to be this waxy shine. I should probably go to the part that I did. But I just did a couple areas in the back, a couple areas on the driver's side. I don't notice a huge difference. I mean, it's a little bit more glossy, but not really noticeable. I mean, it's a cheap product. I think it just ran me like $25. Nothing crazy. Is it worth it? Maybe I'll try it out after like I wash my car for like a rainy day or something like that. See what kind of protection I get. But I mean, I guess it'd be easier than waxing, but I really didn't see a huge difference. So if I had to give this product like, I don't know, I'd say like 3.5 stars out of 5. Unless I really see after a couple weeks or so, if I put this on after a car wash, if it does a better job. Otherwise, I don't know if I recommend this. So like I said before, I mean, I didn't notice a huge difference. I did a little bit more of the back. I really had to do some Karate Kid wax on, wax off. try and get some stains out. Like I have some paint stains from when I washed my deck the other day, but it didn't really do that much. I mean, I don't think it's that much difference of like washing your car with soap and water. As far as protection, I wouldn't really know right now. Maybe next time I'll take my car to the car wash first. Yeah, I definitely probably wash my car first and then put this on as like a protection. What I say was worth it. I mean, it was like $20 online. I'll give it like 3.5 out of 5 stars. I don't know. It was all right. I think I had higher expectations, but all in all, I mean, we'll see. Like I said, guys, it's a quick product review of the Shine Armor. I didn't really plan to make this video super long. I was kind of excited to get this. I thought it was gonna work a lot better. I mean, it kind of does what it says, but not to the extent that I thought it was. So I don't know, $20, 2 towels, and the product. And I didn't even get my whole car, and it's like maybe a 1/10 of the way done. So up to you what you think. I'd give it like 3.5 stars, like I said. But until next time, hopefully I have more. Not hopefully, I will. I'm gonna have some more exciting car videos, some car content. So nothing crazy. I definitely want to do the how to drive manual video in this. I think that'd be pretty exciting. Just kind of show you how my car works, and for those who don't know how to drive stick, that'd be a good experience. And maybe some more mods I plan to do with my car. I'm not a car guru, but I mean, I've been having fun learning. So until next time, thanks for tuning in. Have a beautiful day, and farewell.